Good morning guys, it's a beautiful sunny day here in Sant'Agata Bolognese. The badge is obviously here and I don't know, what can we expect from today's car spotting session? Well, for starters, a whole lot of brand new Revueltos, definitely. But I'm also hoping for some brand new specs on the Temerario. Oh, check it out, first lamp of the day. Oh, first and second one. Double black Urus combo! I mean, hybrid Urus unfortunately, but still, what a great start! Anyways, as I was saying, Temerarios of course, and maybe even some weird prototypes, I honestly don't know. But one thing is for sure, the hopes are very high. Oh, yes! Okay, what can I say? Definitely a great start here in Sant'Agata Bolognese. White Urus getting back. Urus SE probably. Yep, definitely. That's an hybrid V12, I'm pretty sure. Alright, beautiful orange one with the blue calipers. Nah, in full electric mode, come on! Okay, now what do we have? Black Urus SE with the red calipers. But wait a moment, we are not done? Now we do have an hybrid one for sure, but which one is it? Oh, the Temerario, the first one for the day. Ah, come on, I mean, at least we got to hear the engine. Not the loudest one, but I will take it, absolutely, yeah. Oh, okay, pretty cool spec on the Urus here. Yeah, beautiful orange calipers over the blue body. Oh god, yes! It's another Revuelto! Okay, not the best spec out there, not a bold one by any chance. But hey, I'm not here complaining about a hybrid V12, right? Oh, another hybrid one! Nah, boring spec, but at least it was a bit louder than the other ones. Now wait a moment! No, there is no way! Wow, what's that Mitja? Oh my god! He's always so kind, what a guy! And the Weissach Package on the Taycan, oh my god, that was so cool! That sounds like an hybrid Urus, yes indeed. We do have another Lambo getting out. Oh, what a startup! Well, there it goes, the second yellow Revuelto of the day. Not that bad, honestly. Okay, bright blue Urus SE. Very, very slowly driving away. And very quietly, of course. Oh my god, what a spec on the Revuelto! Nah, come on, unfortunately it's very, very slowly driving away and it's very quiet. But this spec, guys, oh my god, that was on a whole another level. Ah, another very boring Urus SE, come on, it's a black spec. Nah, no way, check out this combo. Oh wow, one Camouflage orange Revuelto and one Camouflage white Temerario. That was extremely lucky and cool, yeah. Ooh, is that a matte finish on the grey Urus? Yes, sir, it was. Not half bad, honestly. Okay, that is quite loud. It might be a Revuelto, I don't know, but probably, yeah. Oh, a silver one with the red calipers. And yes, it's now a combo with the Urus SE. Cute family picture here. And there it goes, the Urus. Oh, check out the blue calipers on this Urus here. Yeah, very unusual choice. Light blue Urus getting back. Yeah, beautiful spec with the black wheels and black calipers. But unfortunately, it's another Urus SE. I mean, we haven't seen any Urus S or Performante today. Why? Is the production done for those? Oh my god, that makes me really sad. Could that be another Revuelto? Oh yeah, absolutely! And it's another yellow one! Very well, third yellow Revuelto of the day. Guys, can you hear it? Okay, we have a Urus here, but take a listen to the car in the background. I think that might very well be a Countach or an older V12. Oh my god. Guys, as you can probably hear, this is a very loud one. Oh, okay, blue on blue for the Revuelto. Wow, that's my first time seeing this exact spec on the Revuelto. Not the boldest one, but hear me out, very, very interesting. Yes, looking good under the sun with the orange calipers and the diamond cut wheels. Oh wait, another one! Ha! Again, orange calipers! Yo, I think I hear a Lambo, but it's very far away. What is that? Okay, definitely a Revuelto, but which one? Okay, I remember this one. Oh, wait! No, it's not a combo. This is so cool. The dark one with the yellow calipers and the yellow one, of course, with black details. Wow, that was magnificent! Double Revuelto! Wow! Oh, yes, finally a Performante! Oh, hell yeah, and it was also a very cool spec! Oh yes, one of the yellow Revueltos is getting back! Yeah, I always love seeing camouflage Revueltos driving around. Black and yellow specs really fit Lambos. Yes? Beautiful matte grey spec, unfortunately not a very bold choice for the calipers, but still can't complain. Yeah, guess what? Another black Urus getting back. They are all very similar, but this one has some red calipers with the diamond cut wheels option. Anyway, I think we are done for today, guys. Yeah, it wasn't the perfect car spotting session, but hey, we got to see a lot of interesting specs on the Revuelto, just one Temerario with an old spec also, but most importantly, we got to see Mitja, the head of the Lamborghini Centro Stile, driving around with that Taycan Turbo GT with the Weissach Package. Yeah, I honestly think that was the highlight for the day. Now guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed the cars, the beautiful Lambos we got to see today. And with that said, see you in a few days.